Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Today I speak with a very interesting person, Crystal. She will share with you her view as to how the fish keeping community, fish keeping family have actually helped her to steer her interest in fish keeping.
My channel is Crystal Pets and Plants. Yeah, some of you may be or may not be familiar with me, but after this, if you feel like you need to check it out, right ahead. But how the fish keeping hobby helped me with the fish community. First of all, I just want to give it a shout out to a lot of the people in the fish community and thank them for making me feel like I'm a part of the Fish 2 family. And it really made me got more into the fish hobby. There's quite a bit of people I want to thank for helping me grow too in the fish community hobby. Fish Keeper Jamaica for sure. And also I just want to thank Rob93 Aquatics, Aquafolk Aquatics, he's pretty good too. Fishy Biz Aquatics and Kings and Queens Cichlid. Those are the main ones that kept me going in this hobby and introduced me to meet all the rest of you guys. In the future, I do plan on getting more tanks. Right now, all I got is a betta fish tank, and then I got an African cloud frog tank with some mystery snails. I'm learning, so I'm definitely going to keep watching you and other people and doing my own research as well. In the near future myself, I was thinking about even setting up a brackish water tank and a saltwater tank, because the more I watch the fish tube and learn about it, it makes me really want to get back into the aquarium hobby. I used to have a big 46-gallon bow front with goldfish in it. I had one for like over 5 years, and then I moved and he died. But yeah, I had that a long time. But yeah, just that. I love the hobby, and I do plan on staying in the hobby, and I do plan on getting more fish for the hobby, and do it on my YouTube channel as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. I was thinking about probably getting some molly fish, and then I do want to do a saltwater fish because I just found out about the chocolate chip starfish and how cool those are. So I would definitely want those in my future too, but it's only going to be one thing at a time. I'm going to upgrade what I got now first before I move on to something else. I think that's wise. And I make sure I got all my research in as well. Fish Keeper Jamaica, keep it up. You're great. We love you. You keep going. I'm sure you're a wonderful school teacher. I'm sure all your students love you too. I really appreciate you having me on here. Have a blessed day. Keep the fish hobby going, peoples. Until next time.